Very often people ask us, should I take a PSYCH-K workshop, or how do I decide if this is for me? Very often people will come to PSYCH-K as a self-help tool. We need to be better, to have a better life, to solve money issues or relationship issues or health or conditions that we want to feel better about. And that is a very, very good starting point. However, when you take PSYCH-K into your life and you make it something alive, because this is what we're going to give you in 3 days, a live tool that you're going to be able to use all your life. How many things do you know that you can actually buy and know that they're going to be there for you all your life? I don't know of anything right now. And this is what PSYCH-K has been for me. A tool where I can see myself, where are those limiting situations that appear every day. Life happens, and we want to give you this, a live tool for you to be better, for you to realize your inner power, for you to realize your essence, your divine self, which is way beyond religion or religious beliefs. It's about who you are in essence, and to remember that. When you remember that, then you realize that you are connected to everything, to everyone, and to all in the universe. And that's what we want with PSYCH-K, to remind you of this, to give you the tool so that you can better live a better life and be the best human being you can ever be. Let's see if this is for you. We'll see you in our next basic workshop.